Do you have brassy hair? Hair which is too yellow or too golden? In this video, we're going to show you how to fix it. Now, people sometimes ask us, can't I just use toner on this? And the answer is, we're going to use toner. But first, we've got to deal with those roots. We've got to fix those roots, and we've got to lift that part up until it's equal with the rest of the hair. And the lightener we're going to use is Brilliant Blonde. We recommend it because it works very fast and it's very safe and effective. It's been designed for dark bases, so it can lift a lot, up to 8 levels in fact. We make our mix 1 part Brilliant Blonde to 2 parts Developer. We want to make it nice and creamy so we can apply it really fast. And this is what it looks like when it's been mixed. And then we go ahead and we apply it on the regrowth area only, wherever it's yellow or brassy. The idea is to get this bit up to the same level as the rest of the hair. When you're done applying the bleach on the regrowth area, it's going to look like this. Now, people often ask, how long should I leave this in the hair? And the answer is there's no fixed development time with bleach. You have to watch and rinse it when it's done, when it's lifted properly. Actually, with our model, it didn't take us very long. She already had fairly light hair. It took us about 10 minutes of bleach processing. Now, to tone the hair, we're going to use 10.1B, which is extra light cold ash blonde. And it's one of our favorite colors because it's got a lot of blue pigments in there. And you can see while we start to apply it on the hair immediately changes color. It goes grayish, it goes bluish as those pigments start acting on the hair to kill the yellowness, kill the brassiness, and produce a very beautiful, extra light, cold blonde result. And now we rinse one more time. So here's the final result. You can see we've got rid of all the yellowness, all the brassiness, and we've produced this very, very beautiful, slightly blue, extra light, cold ash blonde result. So enjoy!